What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is one must-have thing you got to purchase for your ride, in my opinion. Now, I've had this cover since I got the vehicle, and man, this thing has done me so much justice. Now, it doesn't have the top portion, which is fine, you know, because most of your weight, the weight distribution is going to be right on this surface here. And if you play basketball or any kind of sports, this is a must-have. Now notice how good the seats look. I mean, after a few years, you know, the seats still look like pretty much not new, but I mean, they're in excellent condition. Got a couple crumbs there, but I mean, and again, if you play sports, you get done playing basketball, you sit in this seat, all that, whatever smell you have on you, it's going to be right in that seat, and it is difficult to get smells out. Now, what I like about this, as you can see, this the wear and tear. So the wear and tear that's on this may have been on the actual leather part of the seat. So, you know, this is why this is a must-have thing to purchase for your ride. Whether you have a car, truck, SUV, doesn't matter. Now, what I like about this is it covers up the front portion of your legs. You know, your legs get sweaty, got a little pockets there. Tuck your cell phone in there. And it has clips on the back, which I'll show you, that holds it in place. It holds it from shimmying and moving all around. Now I'll go around and show you what it looks like. So these little tabs here, as you can see how they come out the back of the seat, and it holds it in place. It holds it from like moving forward and moving backward. So, you know, and most of the seat covers on Amazon doesn't have this feature. That's why I went with this. It does very little movement, and it stays in place nicely. So we'll go around and take a look at the passenger side, see how that's holding up. So this is the passenger side, and you know, I do have passengers often, and notice how clean and good the seats, the conditioner still is, just because of the seat protectors. And again, it doesn't come all the way up to the top of the seat. I would have liked to have a cover that comes all the way up, but the ones that they did have, they didn't have like a locking feature like this does. You know, so if you buy one like a full piece or one piece or a two piece, if it doesn't have those locking features in the back, it's just going to be moving all around. You're just going to have to keep on adjusting it. But these things, I mean, this is a must-have modification, especially if you work out, if you play basketball, any kind of sports. You know, this is going to keep you from having to constantly clean and get the grime and smell out of your seats. And again, this has the suede in the middle portion and the leather on the side. So you figure if you're getting sweat and all kind of musty smells in this, it's going to be very, very difficult to get out. So, you know, the seat covers really, really help in this regard. This is a must-have purchase, in my opinion, that you have to have for your ride, guys. I will leave a link in the description of this exact cover. This fits for a lot of models, cars, trucks, SUVs. I'll leave a link in the description. In the meantime, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Check out my other videos and playlists. Give them a thumbs up. Until the next video, I will see you guys in the next video. Alex RT Life signing off.